joining us. Today we're going to do a taste test of a new product, Pillsbury Mini Pizza Crusts. We are going to prepare these just like they say on the back of the package. So we need to get each one stretched out to 6 inches.
It was hard pressing those out to 6-inch squares, so I needed a rolling pin.
We will now top these with vegan toppings and pop them in the oven.
Okay, the pizza's out of the oven,
Here's the baked pizzas.
and we're going to cut it. You might need something to hold that still with. And let's see what the crust looks like. We mainly wanted to see what the crust looked like. And here's one that we didn't, and that gives you an idea. You could bake those ahead of time if needed.
Yeah, it's nice
So
and crispy.
let's see what they taste like. Okay, I'm going to try just the crust first. Megan, you try whatever you want.
Okay.
That's pretty good, just coming out of refrigerated dough
Yeah, see, that's why they wanted you to roll it out so thin.
to get it nice and crispy.
Because then it's nice and crispy on the bottom,
Listen,
and then you're able to put the toppings on it and not be like real spongy. So you definitely want to make sure you roll it out really thin because that makes a difference.
it does.
I like it.
Me too.
I like the cheese on this actually.
That's vegan cheese. I don't know if you ever had it.
It's nice and creamy.
How's the vegan pepperoni?
Actually, I didn't get a piece on this one.
Pull it off.
It's pretty good. I like
It's
it.
pretty good. So if you see the refrigerated dough, go ahead and pick it up. It's pretty good. It's a quick way to make a pizza.
It's delicious.
Join us next week.